Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase and that one we go bring on another exciting reason on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But you don't like the reason and of course you don't like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then kick in the like button. Now let's get right into the reasoning nation. Nation, Vybz Kartel has just received some more good news. Nation, it is clear, Vybz Kartel's blessings cannot be stopped by the system. And it cannot be stopped by bad mind. And the confirmation of this news are definitely something Vybz Kartel can rejoice about, even while behind the bars, as he looks forward to his release in as early as 2022. Now, Nation, CEO of Adi Jahim Records and the oldest son of Vybz Kartel, the dancehall king himself, Little Vybz, has given photo confirmation of the newest addition to the Palmer family. Yeah, man, I have to say big up to Little Vybz and his baby mother. The entire world is looking forward to seeing baby Palmer. And as everything is going well with Vybz Kartel's appeal, this is definitely something else to give him a boost in spirit. And as Vybz Kartel say, mentally right now I'm 100% fit and fully focused going into the final phase of his release procedure. And that is why, separate and apart from the musical aspect of Vybz Kartel's release, of course we can look forward to some of the biggest dancehall music concerts we have ever seen, and some of the biggest and most memorable dancehall performances that fans have ever witnessed. But other than that, there is the family aspect. The amount of years Vybz Kartel has been behind the bars and away from his family and loved ones. Separated apart from the fans that Vybz Kartel says he miss performing for. You know him family, him youth them, and look, see there, now him grandchildren. And it's also a joy to see the support the Little Vybz I get from fans across the world. With one fan saying that it was a joy to see the growth of the Palmer family, and they said safe delivery and congratulations to the young couple. They also added that them love the way of Vybz Kartel's youth. Our youths have grown up, educated, bright, and not involved themselves in a media mix-up, which is true. We have to big them up for that. We have never seen them create a scene on the media for any form of attention. None of them youth them not do it. Overseas is a different story. Majority of celebrity children are always in the headlines for one reason or another, and majority of the time are nothing good. Another fan was quoted as saying, "Divine love, divine life, sealer, Jah peace, love, guidance, and immeasurable strength and joy sent to you both now and beyond time. You guys are adorable together. Keep that glow and spark forever and ever." Fans are definitely excited about the news. Remember recently in an interview when Little Vybz outlined that he and Little Adi were now the CEOs of Adi Jahim Records, and that they have mapped out certain paths for the record label and how they are planning to move forward with their careers respectively. And seeing that they are now both family men, one of them wife, one of them youth, we see the focus, and now we see why they have always acted the way they have. It's a reflection on how they were raised. Their parents don't grow them to follow the hype and follow up chattings and listen to what people are saying. As the Vybz Kartel say, he is an example for people who are from his background, who have come from impoverished communities and have made it. And him and showed him said it possible. Him say as a youth, him never know he would have become a mega star and he would have get rich and be able to move out of these impoverished areas and chart a better course for him woman and him pitney them. But by the blessings he has done so, and that is a living example for him youth them. Despite the obstacles faced by Vybz Kartel, him and Shorty, they have managed to raise respectable young superstars in this day and age. Remember when Vybz Kartel did their UE and the question about youth and them thing they were presented. And remember the interview when the same question was presented again. And seeing how Vybz Kartel's children have grown up, it is clear when Vybz Kartel answered those questions, he was not just speaking as an entertainer or as Adidja Palmer, but also as a parent for the other parent them who seem to not get it. The thing start from a yard. You cannot talk about entertainer for parent your youth for you, and that's how the thing work. Parenting and that's something where you outsource. Yeah, you have babysitters and you have daycare centers, but parenting is something where parents must do, whether parents, legal guardians, or step parents. As a youth, Vybz Kartel did iconically say it in our song, "You father your youth and I will father mine," sing a bling, and that is where I draw the line. And that's clearly one of the problems that take place in society. You know what I mean? Those who should be held accountable when responsibilities are placed on them try to delegate. Some of them try to outsource. Some of them try to play the blame game. Circumstances and situations definitely affect decision making. But as a parent, a job that we sign up for life now. And based on the example where Vybz Kartel set for youth, but no little Addy and little Vybz will be phenomenal parents. May I tell you? Them see all the teachers set it for them. So them know it is only right for them to set it for them youth them as well. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what you feel. Let me know what you feel about part 2 of the 2-part interview by Lisa Evers. Now, so what you think about Jamaican media? I try to demonize not only the accredited reporter, but also the major network label by tagging them in them foolishness. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know if you want the response. Of course, Isaac Buchanan pointed out that this has no effect. No matter what the Jamaican media try, it will have no effects on Vybz Kartel's appeal going forward to the Privy Council. So try as they may, adjust them and make nice in the media because they have an outlet to do so. Freedom is a must, nation. Yes, freedom is a must. And Vybz Kartel will be home to, as I say, perform for the fans and of course spend time with him family. And as I say, we have new additions. We already have little Addy youth. You know the something going to G. Up move there, you know the thing done already. And now with little Vybz photo confirmation. I will tell the people them say already. So something where fans, true fans of the nation, true fans of Vybz Kartel and the whole movement, little Vybz Kartel, the whole movement. So something we know. But the photo confirmation is something of the world talking at this moment. You know what I mean? So they must say, well, go on, do something. So we decide, say, alright, we're going to present the reasoning for the fans. You know what I mean? Just another reminder. Talk to me in the comment section. Make me know how you feel about what take place. As I'm say, Vybz Kartel appeal has been affected by the recent fiasco being put out by Jamaican media outlets. You know what I mean? Yeah, I just a story them I try to put out. Attorneys have voiced their opinions on the matter and have also told the tabloids that, listen, we have seen the numerous attempts by Jamaican media outlets and all of our attempts have failed to work and present no threat to this appeal going forward to the Privy Council. But I still one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent and the Gaza representative, and say my mind in the know. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and just a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister, and then brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion, comment section up 24/7, never laugh yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, but other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know the something, but just be respectful and mindful as I pointed out. Yeah, man, I move settings, fam, and no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, we want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.